This video was created to demonstrate the AECT Standard 3 learning environments. One of the important elements of this standard is demonstrating the knowledge and skills to design a learning environment. I chose for this standard a documentary which I created in EdTech 533 YouTube for Educators. The documentary is about the history of Lake Lowell, and it explains why it was made, how its creation changed the environment around it. To create the documentary, I designed and used a story script which provided organization. Careful consideration of copyright laws were used in selecting the media used. I have included a short outtake from the video to provide as an example. It was not the promise of farmland which attracted many of Idaho's first settlers, but the lure of gold which was discovered in the 1860s at Orofino Creek. News of gold as well as the Oregon Trail brought many pioneers and settlers into Idaho. Another artifact demonstrating my ability to make sound decisions in selecting appropriate resources for a learning environment comes from EdTech 502 online course design. I created a web page which allows students to study the 5 major biomes of the world. Links explaining each of the biomes are included on this web page. Reference links for additional student learning are also included on the website. This web page demonstrates my ability to evaluate and select appropriate resources to provide optimal learning conditions for students. Standard 3 learning environment also includes ethics as part of the standard. I chose a media literacy lesson to demonstrate my ability to foster a learning environment that promotes ethics. The mini lesson teaches about critical thinking and it allows students to watch videos and respond by explaining in their own words what they have watched. Accessibility is an artifact that I created in EdTech 502 online course design. It is a web page that teaches learners about considering the needs of those with disabilities. The web page has links to help students understand what it's like being colorblind or those that might be physically not able to type or to operate a mouse, and lastly about those that might be blind. This web page demonstrates my ability to foster a learning community that empowers learners with diverse backgrounds, characteristics, and abilities. Thank you for watching my reflection video for AECT Standard 3.